Hello everyone, Stephen Smith here with MarineMax Stuart. Wanted to give you guys a quick walkthrough on a nice trade-in that we just took in. This is a 2025 Pursuit 306 DC, the dual console. Starting at the bow here, you'll see that they've got a nice through-hole windlass here. This is a large windlass compartment with a rinse down, freshwater and raw water. And it's got a boarding ladder that goes over the bow as well. They optioned the forward sunshade. That's going to be a manual sunshade with canvas. You've got a big lounging area up here. It's also very deep, a lot of freeboard, so you'll feel safe when you're underway. There's an optional drop-down table that sits in a lower position here to make this a full sun pad. There's storage underneath of all the seats as well as fish boxes. As we make our way back, you'll see the full glass windshield. It goes all the way to the hardtop. This is great for those runs over to Bimini and on those pop-up rainstorms in Florida. You'll open here on the starboard side of the boat. This is the head. You've got a nice opening head compartment with fresh water, lots of storage there. And on the port side of the boat, they have the small cabin area. This is just going to be kind of like a couch area to get out of the sun, and it's just great for extra storage and things like that. You have a raised seat on the passenger side here with a flip-up bolster as well, so that you can get extra visibility through the windshield here. As we make our way to the helm, you'll see this boat is equipped with a pair of Garmin displays, wireless phone charging. It's all powered by twin Yamaha 300 horsepower V6s that does have joystick piloting as well. So you'll have joystick control, Lenco trim tabs, all your toggle switches across the dash here for your lighting and things like that. A little bit of storage in the hardtop. They did option the premium audio package with JL audio all over the boat, subwoofers, etc. Then you have a nice big captain's seat here as well as a VHF radio. You've got a cockpit refrigerator built in here. And there's lots of storage built into the cockpit. This is like a summer kitchen prep area with some baits, tackle storage, as well as a freshwater sink here. Great for prep. Nice large countertop area. Moving back into the cockpit, there's a lot of different seating configuration options. You have a big table here. There's two flip-out seats that are built into the transom and the gunnels here. There's also a removable table cushion here that goes in the bow, and an aft-facing seat here that has additional storage underneath of it. As we make our way back, you have a dive door. This is great for pulling in those big fish or days at the sandbar. You've got a ladder that can go on that. There's a bait well here. This will be a great pitch well bait well. A little prep area for cutting bait. This is a small cooler that's built into the transom. And this boat is also optioned with a ski tow pylon that pops up from here, so you could tow tubes and wakeboards, etc. This is a nice, clean, gently used 2025 Pursuit 306 DC. My name is Stephen Smith. Come see it in Stuart today.